Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ha? Tur yerine. Tutana hoppa turayım. Turayım. Tur yol vasat diyen. Tur. Tur yerden ne? Tur var öyle. Neme yolun ortasında oturup sana. Neme de kardı. Neme yolun üstünde oturup sana.
Doydum hocam.
Nemeden doydum.
Doydum hocam ben zaten cızından doydum hocam.
Var tur
Doydum hocam.
Ne için yolda otursun o?
Kalksın doydum hocam. İş sonra barasan iş vermediler, öy sonra barasan öy vermediler. Kaçan ayıcı kişinin yaşında yaşamalı. Kaçan ayıcı bir manat kolun üstünde, Allah'ın üstünde oruç edip yaşamalı. Kaçan ayıcı hükümet bilen çekeleşmeli. Bir beçem öldürüp yediler, ikincini mi öldürmeyecekler bu doydum hocam. Kaytarıp yatan temperatura ver oturan bir kepik pulum yok elimde daralma. Alı gitseler bastılar zato dinlemem. Alı gitseler bastılar zato dinlemem. Gitseler bastılar zato dinlemem.
Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Well, this is us again protesting at the Turkish embassy. Then we will go to the Turkmen embassy. Turkish embassy is kidnapping, abducting our activists, and we would like a stop to it. Turkish embassy, release our activists! Turkey, you are a disgrace to Turkic community. Turkey has Erdogan, who is a dictator, and he is kidnapping our activists. Shame on Turkey! Shame on Turkey! Shame on Turkey! Turkey, stop transnational repressions! Turkey, stop transnational repressions. Turkey, stop transnational repressions. We're Turkic people. We gathered here to renounce dictatorships, tyrants, and regimes not only in Turkmenistan but also in Turkey, in the Turkic world, and globally. We say no to selling people for gas. We say no to taking lives of our young generations who are abducted in Turkey with the help of Turkish MIT and then sent to Turkmenistan, which is a jail stand. We don't call it anymore a Turkmenistan. It's a jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Jail stand.
Erdogan is a predator and mankurt. He is a tyrant. He not only killed many Turkish patriots and nationals, but he and the former head of MIT, who is now Minister of Foreign Affairs, Fidan, and their regime have been working against the humanity and their own country and against Turkmenistan and Turkic people. Transnational repressions, abductions, human trafficking, enforced disappearances, deportations of political activists, peaceful, innocent political activists, to jail stand. Because Erdogan is a friend of Putin. Because he is a friend of dictators. Because he is a friend of Berdimuhamedov, who is a bloody dictator. Erdogan is friends of Putin. Erdogan is friend of Putin. Erdogan is friend of Putin. Erdogan is friend of Putin. And Putin's puppet regimes, which are Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, which is Kyrgyzstan, and all of the stands. They must be stopped by the West, by the international organizations. Denounce the puppet regimes, denounce Putin, denounce the tyrants, denounce Erdogan, denounce all of the human rights violations. Where is Erdogan? Erdogan is forming the Organization of Turkic States in order to manipulate and control the collective minds of Turkic people. Where is Erdogan or Turkey when Turkmens are now deprived by millions of their motherland? Where are they when Uyghurs are being wiped out in concentration camps in China? Where are they when everyone is subjected, every Turkic person is subjected to killings and tortures in our countries? Where are they when our brothers and sisters are being executed and extinct in the 21st century in jails, in jail stand? Erdogan is a sellout for gas. He sells his soul, he sells his people, he sells Turkey for gas, for place among the tyrants' world, dictators, for influence among dictators and regimes. Because he is no different. He is a dictator himself. Dictator in the making. All these regimes are terrorists, and they are killing machines. We say no to mankurt regimes and gas-sucking tyrants. We also demand Erdogan and Turkey to bring back our young activists, our young people, our innocent Turkmen, Kazakh, Azeri, all of our people. Kyrgyz, Uzbek, Chechen, everyone, Tajik. Our people from Turkmenistan, they are abducted with the help of MIT and sent and deported to the jail stand for gas. They are sellouts. They sell us for gas. Gas is everything for these regimes and dictators. People are nothing. They don't care about Turkic people. They don't care about Turkmen people. They don't care about Kazakh, Azeri, Uzbek, Kyrgyz, Tatar, Chechen, Tajik, Uyghur, any people. They don't care about that. Erdogan doesn't care about Islam. Erdogan doesn't care about Muslim religion. He is a terrorist, and he supports terrorists like Hamas. We are against terrorists. We're against Erdogan. We're against dictators and regimes. Turkey abducted exploited young people and trafficked them for gas for business deals. We demand that Ahmet Çalik of Turkey is also tried in court for corruption and embezzlement of Turkmen money. This is our money. This is our people. You are stealing Turkmen money. You're stealing our future. Ahmet Çalik, you are a corrupt criminal. Turkey has been sucking Turkmen resources through corrupt deals and shady plots. Erdogan, out of Turkmenistan. You are no brother to Turkmens. You are mankurt, you are sellout, you are a dictator. Erdogan, out of Turkmenistan. Erdogan, out of Turkmenistan. Erdogan, out of Turkmenistan.
Return our activists! Return our activists! Return our activists!
Turkey, return our activists.
Return our activists!
Bugün ben Türk dilinde konuşmak istiyorum. Çünkü siz demeyeceksiniz bunların Türkmen, İngiliz dilini anlamadık diye demeyeceksiniz. O yüzden Türk dilinde sizin ana dilinizde Mustafa Kemal Atatürk'ün ana dilinde konuşmak istiyorum. Bugüne kadar hiçbir zaman Türkçe konuşmamıştım. Bugün sizin ana dilinizde konuşmayın zorundayım. Recep Tayyip Erdoğan tribunalardan Türkmenler, Türkler, biz bir soyluyuz. Türkmenler, Türkler, biz bir köklüyüz. Bir milletiz. Bir kanlıyız diye bağırıyordu tribunlardan. Ne oldu? Erdoğan, Recep Tayyip Erdoğan ne oldu? Ya bu Recep Tayyip Erdoğan yalan mı söylemiş? Biz bir köklüyüz, bir canlıyız, bir milletiyiz. Medeniyetimiz bir, soyumuz bir diye bağırıyordun. Ne oldu? Yalanlar mı söylemiş? Bütün milletin önünde. Ben bir şeyi söylemek istiyorum, daha bir şey söylemek istiyorum. 2009'da 10 sene, 15 sene, 20 sene önce geldik de Türkiye'ye. Avrupa devletleri gibi bir güzel ülke görmüşüm. Ama 15 sene geçtikten sonra 2019'da geldik de
Arabistan gibi bir ülke görmüşüm. Çünkü neden? Ne oldu? Türkiye'ye güzel bir Avrupa devletlerinden tüm aşağıya düşüp Arap gibi geride kaldık bir devlet gibi gözüktü. İnsanlar çantalarını çalıyorlar, paralarını çalıyorlar. Böyle dünya yüzünde aşağı düşmüş bir ülke görmüşüm. 15-20 sene sonra. Gördük yeni şeylerim var. Arabistanlı Araplar Türkiye'de rahatça böyle geziyorlar sokaklarda. Niye Türkmenler gezemiyor sokaklarda böyle rahatça? Niye gezemiyor? Aynı soyludunuz, aynı köklüdünüz, milletiniz birdi, kanınız birdi, canınız birdi. Ne oldu? Bu Türkmen değil mi? Bunlar aktivistler, Türkmen aktivistler, Türkmen değil mi? Sizin kanınız değil mi? Niye bunlar tuzaklıyorsunuz? Ellerini, ayaklarını bağlayarak kime gönderiyorsunuz? Ellerini, ayaklarını bağlayarak Türkmen aktivistlerinin Turkmenistan'ı yani yırtıcı bir hayvanın ağzına veriyorsunuz. Yalan mı? Ne oldu? Erdoğan bağırıyordu. Canımız bir, kanımız bir diye. Aynı milletiz diye. Niye Araplar geziyor sokaklarda, Türkiye'nin sokaklarında böyle rahatça geziyor? Türkmenler gizli gizli, kaçarak geziyorlar. Sokaklara bile çıkamıyorlar. Ne oldu? Erdoğan yalan mı söyledin bize? Neden kayboluyor Türkmenistan Uygurlar? Neden? Çünkü Türkiye'nin İçişler Bakanlığı, Dışişler Bakanlığı, Güvenlik Bakanlığı, Türkmenistan'ın Dışişler, İçişler Bakanlığı, Güvenlik Bakanlığı hepiniz el ele vererek beraber rüşvetler içinde yüzüyorsunuz. Rüşvetler içinde balıklar gibi yüzüyorsunuz. O yüzden kayboluyor. Bu gördük çocuğunuz Türkmenistan'dan 17 yaş çocuk zamanında gelmiş Türkiye'ye. Okumana gelmiş. 12 sene içinde 2 üniversite bitirmiş. Akademik derecesine gelmiş. Profesörlük derecesine gelmiş. Ama siz ne yaptınız? Bu yetenek çocukları ellerini, ayaklarını bağlayarak geri kendi yurduna gönderiyorsunuz. Acelin eline veriyorsunuz. Yırtıcı hayvanların ağzına veriyorsunuz. Ama göndermeseydiniz sizin Türkiye'nin en iyi üniversitelerinde profesör olarak ders verecekti. Değil mi? Our lives matter. Turkmen lives matter. Our lives matter. Turkmen lives matter. Our lives matter. Turkmen lives matter. Our lives matter. Turkmen lives matter. Turkey, stop transnational repression.
Turkey, stop transnational repression.
Turkey, no more deportations.
Turkey, no more deportations.
Turkey, no more deportations. Turkey, no more deportations. Save Turkmen activists.
Save Turkmen activists.
Save Turkmen activists. Save Turkmen activists. From prison and torture.
From
prison and torture.
Gas is not important. People's lives are. Gas is not important. People's lives are. Gas is not important. People's lives are. Gas is not important. People's lives are.
Today we are supporting this demonstration and I represent myself as a Kazakh activist. And we're sharing the sorrow of the Turkmen people, what they're going through, all the abductions, all what is happening. So we want to call on to dictators to stop abducting people. This is the will of the people, freedom of expression, their inherited right. And we want activists to be free. So Turkey, stop abducting people.
Turkey, stop abducting people. Turkey, stop abducting people. Turkey, stop abducting people. Turkey is killing Turkmens. Innocent people, innocent activists, they're being killed by Turkey. They're being abducted by Turkish MIT, and then they're being sent to dictatorship, to Turkmenistan. Those young activists are dead now. Most of them are dead. Some of them are still in jail. Their parents cannot find them. Those kids are innocent children, are innocent people, are innocent citizens. Turkey, stop killing our people. You say that we're brothers. You are no brother to us. You kill us. You abduct us. And you send us to dictatorship. Erdogan is a dictator. Erdogan is a tyrant. Erdogan is a corrupt killer, murderous machine. Erdogan is a predator.
Today is the 28th, October 28th, the protest in front of Turkmenistan embassy. We've just been to the Turkish embassy and we're walking all the way down to the Turkmen embassy. And here we are. We're demanding to stop cooperating dictators, abducting Turkmen activists. People's lives matter. And above all, we want to ask to stop transnational repressions.
Stop transnational repressions.
Stop transnational repressions.
Stop transnational repressions.
Stop transnational repressions.
Stop transnational repressions.
Stop transnational repressions. No more dictator.
No more dictator.
No more dictator. No more dictator. Today is a 100-year anniversary for our Turkmenia. We're here to remind the world that our independence took place on October 27th. 1 century passed since nowadays Turkmenia formed officially. 1 century. Yet Turkmens are still without their country. A country without people. People with a country but without it. Our people are being abducted in Russia, in Turkey. In Russia, they're being abducted with the help of FSB and BUR. Human trafficking is also at large in Turkey because Erdogan and Fidan are turning a coordinated ring of dictators. In Belarusia, there are silent enforced disappearances. They are all a ring of global mafia thugs, helping each other to kidnap, abduct, and kill innocent people, innocent Turkmens, young souls, by assisting each other. Ironically, international organizations like United Nations, Interpol, etc. no more serve their purpose. We demand that all the international organizations, governments, and media recognize the plight of Turkmens and our neighbors for freedom. Every human being deserves freedom. Every human being deserves their life. Every human being deserves to live. United Nations, United States, European Union, everyone, where are you? Where are you? Gas is nothing. People are everything. Human life is important. It is important to us, to people. We demand that you stand for human rights and freedom. Renounce, denounce and make a statement against all the regimes and dictators and tyrants. They are terrorists. They are nowadays current time terrorists. There should be no negotiation or acceptance of terrorists. Terrorism, regimes, and dictatorships must be banned. We say no to terrorists, to Russia's puppet regimes and Russia's allies like Turkmenistan, like Turkey, like Iranian Islamist regimes, red bloody China, North Korea, and other corrupt, illegitimate governments. Turkmenistan, Jailstan, Turkmenistan is one of them. All these tyrants, dictators, and regimes wash each other's hands with blood. No more! No more! No more! No more! Out with the regimes! Out with the corruption! Out with the dictators! Out with the regimes! Out with the corruption! Out with the dictators! Out with the regimes! Out with the corruption! Out with the dictators! Out with the regimes! Out with the corruption! Out with the dictators! Out with the regimes! Out with the corruption! Out with the dictators! We demand freedom and life! We demand freedom and life! We demand freedom and life! We demand freedom and life! Life is valuable. Gas is not life. Human beings deserve freedom, life, and the right to decent living. Happy, unhappy Independence Day, Turkmens. May Turkmenia be free, and may international organizations and the West and the European Union be on the side of freedom and human rights. May Turkmenia be free, and may international organizations and the West and the European Union be on the side of freedom and human rights. We are for freedom. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. Turkmenistan, we demand freedom. No more blood. We demand freedom. We demand life. Turkmen life is important.